This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins in Toca Boca. Start by opening the kitchen, selecting a muffin tin, and choosing a batter color you like. Add mix-ins and toppings by dragging them into each cup, then set the oven temperature and press bake. Use playful colors and textures to make muffins unique, and tap items gently to avoid accidental swaps while decorating. Decorating muffins in Toca Boca is fun and forgiving, so experiment freely. Try contrasting batter and topping colors to create visual pop, and layer sauces before sprinkles for cleaner patterns. Rotate the muffin tin slightly as you place decorations to distribute items evenly. Small repeated taps can nudge toppings into place without losing other items, and playful combinations often look best on screen and in screenshots. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep snacks and muffin mix fresh during crafting sessions, and they stack neatly next to your play area. They work great for storing tiny props and real baking supplies alike. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After baking, spend time arranging muffins for the best presentation in Toca Boca. Use the camera tool to capture close-ups and save favorite creations, then place muffins on plates to serve characters or create a display. If a decoration looks off, use the undo arrow and try a different style quickly. Take screenshots of multiple versions so you can compare and pick the most playful arrangement for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.